Credit snitching, loud and bold. You tell your past, young and old. Pay late, you talk that shit. Pay right, doors unhit. Credit is basically a snitch, your rep on the block. They walk around talking whether you ready or not. I here telling company, yo, this one right. But now I watch this motherfucker, this ain't tight. They still hold the power, come be 275. Skyhouse want 4X just to let that slide. Wouldn't trust them, wouldn't front. Credit tell it all, blunt. If you don't pay on time and sing your name, tell everybody you love to borrow but dodge the payment game. Credit keep dropping bad news on repeat. Companies get the memo quick, fast, concrete. They stop trusting, shut the gate. Decisions made with no D-Day. Any company that still take a chance, gon' tax your ass, advance. Big chunk up front payment stick. Hide in giraffe pussy just in case you creep. That up front money, make sure they straight. If you fuck up later, they already ate. But it's another hit on your credit file. Too many hits that spiral out. That hurt you financially, sometimes legally. That look like losing your shit routinely. Boot it up out your place. Keys revoked, judge tapping your check like child support smoke. Credit snitch, loud and bold. They tell your past, young and old. Pay late, they talk that shit. Pay right, doors unhit. Yeah. When your credit vouching for you, saying they straight, they good for it. Company relax, recalibrate. Loan chances higher, let's run around. Driving off the lot, no money down. Home loan approval, client. Assistance grants if your numbers align. You establish trust, that's the best. Companies fuck with you cause you learn the pace. And yeah, that shit take time. System slow, not overnight prime. When your credit shaky, companies say fuck you and protect themselves, that's what they do. That's part of the game, nothing new. Same rules apply if the shoe was you. If somebody kept taking and never repay, you give them the boot without delay. So what the fuck you expect from corporations? That shit a business, not a salvation. They here to make money, not fill you out. If you ain't profitable, you a liability out. Systems in place to limit the drain, or at least deter financial pain. You can't be financially free, ducking what you owe. Find out what it is, face it, no pay it. Settle it, get it corrected. It ain't just payment, it's retroflected. How much you owe versus credit you hold. Who willing to rep you, who ready to fold. Who speak your name with trust untold. And who snitching loud on shit you credit snitching, loud and bold. You tell your past, young and old. Pay late, you talk that shit. Pay right, doors unhit.